The MsMk Small Omelette Pan is a handy little pan for cooking small meals. It's about 9.5 inches. So it's good for eggs, small omelets, and other single-serve dishes. It has a non-stick coating made with titanium and ceramic. This makes it easy to cook without food sticking to the bottom. Cleaning it is simple too, as it is dishwasher safe. The pan also comes with a lid which helps to keep moisture inside the pan while cooking. This would be helpful when steaming vegetables or to properly melt cheese on an omelet. Based on the product description, the materials used also contribute to the pan's durability, meaning that this pan should last for multiple weeks of constant use. Talking about the performance of this pan, it heats up evenly, which helps food cook well. The non-stick surface really does work, making flipping and removing food very simple. Also, the fact that this MsMk Small Omelette Pan can withstand oven temperatures up to 700 degrees F is a positive factor. This pan can be used on induction cooktops. That adds versatility. When comparing this pan to others, the easy cleanup makes it a time and money saver, due to less time spent cleaning. So overall, if you need a pan for small portions, this is a decent choice. To close out this review, the MsMk Small Omelette Pan looks like a good option for people who cook smaller portions of food, especially someone that is looking for an easy-to-clean product. It appears to be constructed of quality materials. Of course, long-term durability is something that's only seen after many uses, so it's a factor to be considered. If you are looking to add this item to your cart, reviewing the vendor's ratings and the cost of the product would be a wise action. It seems this pan would be a great helper in any kitchen. Pros: good heat distribution, well constructed, good deal, effortless non-stick, easy hand washable, comfortable handle, good fitting lid, even heat distribution, easy to clean, great non-stick. Flat bottom, works on induction. Cons: lid handle gets hot, lid traps water, initial pan had gouge, pouring is messy, some initial defects, slight base discoloration, possible scratching, slight nick on rim, a little pricey, quality control issues. Features: 9.5 inch size, small egg pan, includes lid, titanium coating, ceramic nonstick, omelet pan, scratch resistant, induction safe, oven safe, 700 degrees F, dishwasher safe. This 9.5 inch MsMk egg pan is designed for cooking small meals like omelets. It comes with a lid and has a titanium and ceramic nonstick coating, making it scratch resistant and easy to clean. You can use it on induction stoves or in the oven up to 700 degrees F. It's also dishwasher safe for simple cleanup. The MsMk 9.5 inch egg pan offers good non-stick cooking and even heating, working on induction stoves and being oven safe. It's easy to clean with a comfortable handle and a lid, though the lid handle gets hot and can trap water. Some users reported initial quality issues like scratches or gouges, and pouring can be messy. While it generally performs well, there are some concerns about quality control and potential for scratching, and the price is a bit high.